Trader, you know me. This is the Dow. It's a daily. It's a morning trade. It's a big top at the top of resistance. To find that resistance, look at the reversal. It's red. So as we go through the Dow, I will look at diamond puts. That's going to be support 1. That's going to be support 2 down here, and support 3. We've had an extreme bull rally. Now we have a reversal. September was extraordinary. Now, one thing that we're going to monitor, does October volatility come into play on the last trading day of the month? Go ahead, be patient. We'll walk you through the Dow and how overbought it was with the reversal at hitting our resistance number 3 to support number 1 will be here. We will update the Dow over the next 7 days.